everyone. Myself Husna Sultana, Assistant Professor in Government First Grade College, Tumkuru. Today I am teaching a topic from the subject Data Communication and Network. The topic is data communication. The term telecommunication means communication at a distance, where the word data refers to the information presented whatever form you agree upon the exchanging. The data is nothing but a fact. Data communication are nothing but exchanging of a data from one device to another device by using some transmission medium such as wire cable. Either you can use wire or cable. Today we discuss certain topics in this section. The first we will discuss components of data communication, data representation, data flow. 5 components of data communication. Sender should require a receiver, where sender and receiver want to communicate. It should require in which medium the information is transferring, and along with medium they should know the message what they are transferring. And the main thing in between to perform the interaction is protocol, which is very important to perform the communication. Data flow. A data flow can be done in 3 ways, either in the manner of simplex, or in the manner of half duplex, or full duplex. Simple, only single way communication. Half duplex, where a communication be done by checking whether the information is reaching to the station or not. Where in the full duplex, along with checking whether the information is reaching to the communicator, they can also receive the reply from the user whether he has received the information at a time. That means the information will be exchanged all at the same time. Let's understand a topic, networks. Network is a set of devices which is often referred as nodes. Nodes connected by communication links. A node can be a computer, printer, or any other device capable of sending and receiving generated with the nodes on the network. In this topic, we discussed distributed processing, network criteria, physical structures, network models, category of network, interconnection of network, types of connection. These are certain diagrams which help the user to understand the types of connection. Point to point and multi-point. Point to point is a single link. Multi-point, where multi-connection will be from the single link. Then categories of topology. The topology is nothing but a study of the network, how the network will be configured in LAN. There are different types of arrangement of a local area network, either star network topology, or mesh topology, or bus topology, or ring topology. The fully connected topology we call as mesh topology. At least they might be share the network with the 5 devices. And the star topology is also there, which may connected for multi-stations by a single hub. The next, bus topology, connecting 3 stations, means a single cable will be used to connect the at least n number of stations. For n number of stations, you connect it by using single cable that we call as bus topology or ring topology, where a ring connection will be happen by using the cable. In between there is a repeater which used to exchange the information from one station to another station. A hybrid topology where there may be a hub and multiple stations where it can be shared the network. Hybrid is nothing but a mixed form of a network topology where you can mix either bus or store or mesh topology with the bus topology. So forming this type of topology we called hybrid topology. An isolated LAN connecting 12 computers to a hub in a closed set. A WAN, a heterogeneous network made of 4 WANs and 2 LANs. These are certain examples of different types of network. Let's understand Internet. Internet has revolutionized many aspects of our daily lives. It helps the user to do business, to do all his transaction during his leisure time. The Internet is a communication system which helps the user to share the information from our fingertips, and it helps the user to exchange the information. It's have a hierarchical organization. This is a simple hierarchical organization of the Internet. There are different protocol and standards which help the Internet to be work in a very fine manner. In this section, in protocols, we define a protocol is a synonymous with rules. Synonymous means it has a protocol in which the rules should be followed by a network. According to the rules, the network will be do his work. So it is agreed upon certain rules. The topics we discuss in these sections: protocol, standards organization, Internet standard. So this